All right.
No?
So one of the things that's going on is this whole significant versus uh, extra or whatever it might be when it comes to trying to adjust your trip. So if you
Yep.
get the upfront fare price at a particular price, then they say it will be adjusted if it's significantly longer or significantly different from the route that they had estimated or whatnot. Well, we don't know what significant means, but at least my thought is what you see on these screenshots right now would be hugely significant. So, what you see on the right screenshot is your ride request coming in for a reserved ride on Lyft, and it says
Yeah.
go online by
Yeah.
4:45 a.m.
Yeah.
and it's going to be at a 5 a.m. It's going to be an hour and 28 minute for 87.7 miles. The upfront fare estimate is 88.97, and so this particular driver wanted to take it.
Yeah.
Then after the ride was done, what you see is the ride did not take 1 hour and 28 minutes, but it took 2 hours and 47 minutes,
Yeah.
almost double the amount of time that it was quoted at. And guess
Yep.
what? Guess what? It was not adjusted at all. So you're sitting there for an extra hour and 20 minutes, hour 19 to be specific,
Yep.
with nothing, no extra pay, nothing. So that particular driver got an extra $2.03 for wait time because that particular rider had not
Yep.
been ready for 15 minutes and 56 seconds after the driver got there and the wait
Yep.
time started going on. So he got his 88.32, which was not even the 88.97 that was quoted.
Yep.
So
Well,
he got gypped out of 60 cents on top of that. And then he didn't get the money he was supposed to. Yeah, he made 122.85 because he made a 32.50 tip, but still, right there, what's going on? Your upfront fare is not the same as what he was supposed to make. So he 88.97, it should have been 88.97, not 88.32. But
yep.
what is going on? An hour and 19-minute difference.
It's not significant.
You're not getting compensated for that? You're not
It's
getting
not significant.
what?
It's not significant,
What?
Chris.
How is that not significant? That's what's going on. That's
I know.
not significant. That's very significant in my
No,
opinion.
I know. Of course, I'm being facetious, but I mean, according to the lift, this goes. It's not significant. No, not long enough. Maybe another 5. I mean, you know what? If this was in California, by the way, okay, this would not have been well. He would have gotten an extra 19.20 for that, right? And because under Prop 22, it's on active time, right? So he would have got, but he would have probably evened out after 2 weeks because he wouldn't have gotten paid any extra for this. So I'm like, look, this, first of all, I questioned the sanity of the driver initially accepting this trip, right? Although
Actually,
on face value,
just to let you know, that was in California.
no, I wasn't okay. So all right, then yeah, because I blacked out the addresses, so I was like, I didn't know, I wasn't sure. Okay,
Yeah, it's
so
you could
because
see
of Prop
CA
22,
in the corner there.
yeah, because of Prop 22, because of Prop 22, he probably would have gotten another $20 out of this because an hour is like 19.20 in California on active time. But what will happen is that after 2 weeks, if this guy does more trips, right, it's going to get all nullified and he's not going to get the benefit of this. But in face value, he did not get an upside adjustment. That's all we're trying to explain here. So an hour and 18 more minutes, and he beats his head into the Lyft abyss of AI bot support now. They didn't give him, said, nope, this is the upfront. This is what you get, even if it goes this much longer. So this is one of the things we're going to talk about with Mr. Risher, because this does not make sense to me. This absolutely does not make sense to me. Initially, him taking the trip for an hour and a half, $90, he's looking at it, what, like $60 an hour, right? All right, not too bad. But then there's dead mile return. Maybe he didn't think of that either. So I'm not sure what's going on here. But the other one is worse.
Or it could have been he wanted to position himself. Maybe he's in a. I mean, I don't know that particular area where it is. Maybe it's not the best area in terms of pricing. Maybe he wanted to go into a different area where it would have dropped off, drove there for the day, and then came back. Maybe it was much more worth it that way. I don't know. I mean, that's what happens when you're trying to plan and position for your day. So beyond that, I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, like what we're doing is we're talking about how an hour and 19 minutes goes by and you're not getting adjusted for that, which is pretty crazy. But you know, that's just that trip. The other trip that we got on there, the actual estimated time for that one was 2 hours 54 minutes for 143 miles, and the upfront fare was supposed to be 130.60. I mean, I don't know why you're taking that, but okay, sure. It ended up taking truly 4 hours and 14 minutes, and it didn't get adjusted. But yeah, I mean, that's ridiculous. Almost a 3-hour ride goes by, and 4 hours and 14 minutes is what it really is. So you're going another hour and 15 minutes or an hour and 20 minutes on top of it. Again, not getting any sort of adjustment in any way, shape, or form. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But yeah, this is definitely something that you got to watch out for when it comes down to it, because I don't know. This is where you got to worry about what you're doing. So yeah. But yeah, if you've seen something like this, I know I saw somebody in the comments just now write something where they were going on. If you got screenshots like that, send it to us. Let us know. The other side of the coin is make sure you screenshot your reservation rides and what you get paid, because there has been a pretty big discrepancy. Whether it's a couple of dollars or not, that's still a discrepancy, and it should be paid at the right wage. So make sure you pay attention to those things too, so you can challenge that, because screenshots are going to be everything. Yeah, Sergio Blue Gasket. He must have. No, his computer, I'm thinking what ended up happening, because he's not on back on. Oh, there he is. There he is. I don't know what happened there.
Internet problems. No problem. Back.
No worries.
So
yeah, we were just we just finished up the other one, where it was 2 hours 54 minutes. It was supposed to be, and ended up being 4 hours or 15 minutes. And again, nothing there, and just saying, you know, take screenshots of everything, so you know when it comes down to it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, look, you know, some of these scheduled trips or reserve trips are pretty decent. I mean, those two I wouldn't have done, but then maybe they're going to airport from, you know, wherever they are. Hey, you know, every driver makes their own decisions. I'm not going to blame that, but that upside adjustment needs to happen ASAP, like ASAP. So.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.